this is Andrea here, and welcome to our brand new mini album. We are going to be using the Far East stack by DCWV. There are 48 sheets in this stack, and I purchased this on Joann's website. And but I'm sure you can, wherever they sell DCWV, you may be able to order it. So let's take a look at our paper. Oh, I am also going to be using Timeless Texture Stack by DCWV for their backgrounds. So just in case I need like a solid background without all of the decorations. So let's put that aside. And you can use whatever pad you want for your backgrounds. Okay. So this is foiled, very beautiful. It's like a pink, look at that foil, with a pink background. And there are 2 sheets of each of these patterns. This is a beautiful green, a gorgeous red. This is very pretty. I like the lightness of it. Even though it is kind of decorated, it still makes for a great background. This is beautiful. It is chocolate brown with a little bit of light brown in it. Oh, this is gorgeous. It's green with the foil. Very pretty. Oh, I love this one. It's red, and then it has the Asian writing on the side, and the writing is in foil, gold foil. Oh, and this is a masterpiece to me. This is the reason why I bought it, was because of these figures and the layout on this page. Very, very gorgeous. We may do some fussy cutting with those two. They're going to be fun to work with. Then we have this one here, and it's like in waves, like an ocean wave. This one's beautiful. We may or may not use this because I might want to save it for a 12 by 12. So let's see. Very pretty green. Ooh, look at this one. It's gorgeous too. I love it. Love it, love it. Well, how pretty is this one? I love the red. I don't know why, but the red is just so striking in this paper stack. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? This has got a brown background with the gold foil. Okay. Oh, and here's some more Asian writing. I love that. One of the things I may do is you can go on to Pinterest and find different types of artwork, and I may look for some Asian ladies and men so that I can fussy cut them and place them in this mini album. This is gorgeous. Love, love, love. And this is beautiful, and it's got the Asian writing on there, and it's very subtle. And then it has handwriting in English, it looks like. Oh, look at my cutouts, you guys. Oh, we're going to have fun with those. I can't wait to use those. Very beautiful. And we have 2 pages of them. That's going to be perfect for our album. And here's another chocolate brown. More gold foil with the green background. Very beautiful. Oh, and check this dragon out. Oh, I love it. See, I love dragons. So this is really right up my street. I don't know, my style. Here is some more Asian writing here. And then we have a good background. This is going to make a good background. We are almost done. Alright, so we have the cranes, the white cranes. Aren't they beautiful? And then the gold foil on the paper. Oh, there we go. Just gorgeous. And that is our last 2 sheets. and we're going to have some fun. I'm going to be making a 8 by, I don't know if it's going to be 6 or 8 by 7. Or I'm sorry, 9 by 7 or a 9 by 6. Possibly the 9 by 6. So let's go ahead and get our paper and stuff, and we'll get right back to you. So I've got my front cover, back cover, and spine cut out. And the spine is 4 by 9. And then the front cover and back cover are 9 by 7. I've gone ahead and put on the, I forgot, tack? No. I forgot the name of this. I will remember it and tell you later. You may already know what it is. Okay, so I purchased from Amazon this vinyl. It's a roll of glossy vinyl sign cutter. And basically it's sticky back vinyl. And I want to use it to cover my mini album with. And it's very thick, which is really nice. So let's get it so we can put it on here. Oops. I just think this is going to allow the book, that should be good, to be a little tougher, last a lot longer. Let's see, get this out the way. Alright. So I think this should be wide enough. And we're going to go ahead and add another 2 inches over here, which is right there. Put this aside. And when we're ready, go ahead and cut this. Let that up. Just run this through. That through all the way over to our mark right here. This gives us a nice straight cut. Okay, now we'll save the rest for another mini album. It was $6 for the roll, and the roll is 50 meters. So that's pretty good. Yeah, see, that looks good for folding over. Let's go ahead and peel back. There we go. And it's, look how thick that is. So that's really good. Ah. Don't let it start sticking to itself. We do not want that. Ooh, that is sticky. Do I want to do that? No, I want to get it to come out flat all the way. All right. Perfect. Yay. Okay, so now I want to set this in the middle. Find your middle, and then set it down. Yay. Let's get our heavier burnisher. Now we're going to have to cut here and here. So you want some, use your sticky scissors that you only use for cutting sticky stuff. There we go. Do this side. Yeah. Now let's turn it. And we can cut this side. Little piece. Probably just stick it right there, make it useful. No waste. We'll do the same on this side. Sorry if I'm out of the camera view. It's a really long piece. Again, recycle. Go ahead. Put that there. And we'll do this last corner. Okay. I want to do my sides first. So I'm just going to rock it, press and rock to get it on. There we go. Okay, and do the same on this side. Okay, and then we'll do this. You want to fold your mini album. Okay, that's good. I'm going to do the same on this side. Give it a little bit of elbow grease. Try not to stick it down. Now we will press this down. Just like so. I'll do the same at this end. All right, let's get our burnisher out again. I just want to make sure that this is nice and snug and doesn't come apart on us. All right, and there is the cover for our book. Oh, I love it. I'm so glad I bought that stuff. All right, we'll see. We'll see how it goes as far as glue and sticky paper. So let's go ahead and put in our pages. We got to cut those up. All right. So this is 8. And I think we're going to go with 8, leaving us about 1/4 of an inch on the top and the bottom. Score that. We will see how many we need in just a minute. All right. Set that aside. Roll this up. Burnish that down. we're done with this one. And use our bone folder from now on. So, what you want to do is place at least one sheet in here. And then flatten out the score you just did. And measure from the score line up to about 1/4 of an inch away from the edge. So, let's see. So this goes to this side here. Just fold it up, put it on the score line, and then you're going to cut about 1/4 of an inch right here. So we'll find out what that size is in a second. Alright, let's see if that's what we want. I really love this vinyl. Okay, I'm just so impressed with it. Alright, see, that's a good, look at that, 1/4 of an inch. That's wonderful, I love it. Okay, so now the size of our pages are going to be 7 1/2 by 8. Perfect. Yay. Let me see. Yep, still looking good. Looking good. Okay, so that's what you want to do is 7 2/8. I'm sorry, 2/16. 2/16 by, what did I say, 8? There we go. Those are going to be our pages. So you make your pages. You cover your mini album any way you want to. I just wanted to try this out, and I think I really love it. I think the next time I'll get matte and see how that looks. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you next time. Bye.